Looky what I see right here. Oh.
Wow, what is
So when it
that?
lights
It
up-
can glow.
Yeah, it can glow.
Just like Claire Bear.
I know.
Claire has the same thing.
What did you get, Kate?
A new horsey.
New
You know who
horse?
got you that horsey right there?
Santa Claus.
No.
Mommy.
Pawpaw.
Pawpaw.
So what do you say to Pawpaw?
Santa Claus's mommy
I
did.
love that barn, that's awesome.
What do you say to Pawpaw for your horse?
Thank you.
Oh, sweetheart,
Can
mommy.
you open this, please, Papa?
Yes, darling, we sure will.
Because I want to bring.
Okay, well look, here's another gift for you that you can open.
Yeah.
Really?
I can't open the bowl.
Untie it.
I'm so excited.
Well, we already put batteries in this for you.
I don't
Okay. Oh, it works! Need help? What's that? It's a purse. It's in the shape of a horse.
What? It's amazing.
Neat.
Can I open another one?
Yes.
This
This one. Okay. You want to do this one or this one? This one's from Buddy.
I want to do Buddy. Owie.
Okay.
It hurt my boo-boo.
There you go. It's from Buddy. Remember he was looking to see what you wanted?
Look!
What is
Is
that?
that from your magazine?
Look!
Show me what did
Papa!
Buddy get you?
Oh,
It's the wagon that you wanted from your magazine. You remember that? Remember he was looking through it with Barbie? He got you that. He heard you.
open this one now.
Yes.
And I want to
Those are hard to get out, Papa, aren't they?
Yeah, I just,
Oh my goodness.
I see a horse.
Another horsey you can paint.
just like on my magazine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey. I think you maybe have one more gift. We couldn't wrap it. It's from Auntie Elisa. I think. Hang on. Hold on, hold on. It's from Auntie Elisa.
I'm going to go get some.
Where's she?
Where are you going?
I'm going to get 2 more horses.
Okay.
And she just figured as she walked up the stairs.
This.
Well, hold on, Kate. You still have Auntie Elisa's present to
Yeah.
open.
Just